It's me. Hi, I'm the problem Daisy. If you are going to build your own business, I believe you will need some eye-catching signs to attract customers, right? So today, I will introduce our LED sign to you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest information for you. Now check this one on my hand. Isn't it very special? You can get the same one or customize the design you want. 3 years warranty with CE, UL, and other certifications. We can make renderings and give you the core so fast. Shipping to most countries, no MOQ. On LED signs, we have over 20 styles for you to choose, such as face trim cap sign, slide punch face lead sign, and these signs are all very eye-catching enough and popular. Glowing effect is perfect. Every month we ship different style of signs to customers around the world. So if you don't have any ideas about making your sign, don't worry, we will recommend it for you. We are a sign manufacturer with nearly 40 years experience, factory direct price, no MOQ on most products, complete supply chain, and strict management system. You're waiting for what? If you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that follow button right now. And this is Stacy from LCSIGN. See you next time.